You ready to go feed the squirrels and the birds?
Yes.
Let's go.
Am I coming?
Oh, wait, there's water in it. So we have to dump out the water.
Now time to take it out. Can I put...
Okay, now... Hold on. Go ahead, Mama.
Okay. Is this thing?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, we're going to add some almonds. And we'll put the almonds right here for the squirrels. Okay? There we go.
Okay.
Just reach in and grab some and put them in.
And what someone was going to eat these ones.
Mm-hmm. Put some more in.
Okay.
So we've got almonds in the shells because the squirrels like to crack their own nuts. And then we have some halved walnuts because the birds can't crack the shell. So we have birds and squirrels that sit here. Okay, and the squirrels live in this tree. Let me see if I can back up and show you. The squirrels live in this tree. And I know it's hibernating time, but they do come out. I see them come out and they come over here.
Yeah.
To this little feeding bowl. This thing is, it's made out of wood. And I bought this at a thrift store. I looked them up because I wanted to buy another one. Now I paid, I think, $5 for this at the thrift store. And all the ones I've seen online are like $200. So of course, this is the one and only one they're gonna get. And it looks like an acorn on top. So, and I think this used to be a squirrel scampering up the top, and maybe it's lost a squirrel, or maybe it's supposed to look like that. I don't know. But anyway,